Kongaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR Tours. Today we are heading over to Typhoon Lagoon for some water park fun. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated when new videos are posted. Typhoon Lagoon was the first expansive water park that preceded the original River Country watering hole. Centered in this typhoon rubble is the Miss Tilly atop Mount Mayday. The main feature here is the Typhoon Lagoon surf pool, otherwise known as a wave pool. It is one of the largest in the world, and every few minutes it spits out 6 to 10 foot waves. The wave pool is the main feature, but TMR would highly recommend checking out that lazy river. If you're planning to spend the afternoon there, Typhoon Tilly's is a great counter service to get some food. There are other food options around Typhoon Lagoon, including the Leaning Palms Resort Dining, which is another counter service. Right around the corner, there is an ice cream shop, and Singapore Sales is your merchandise stop where you can get all your swimming essentials. Another thing to note about Typhoon Lagoon is it features 2 Joffrey's coffee stands. There are also many bars scattered around the property, so you can get those adult beverages. One thing to note that might be good for the traveler is that there is dressing rooms at Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. Also, there are lockers, so don't be afraid to bring that extra change of clothes. With over a dozen water attractions to look at and a water coaster, Typhoon Lagoon is a great way to spend a warm afternoon in the Florida sun.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kongaloosh!